Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the wig that I'll be trying today is from Kriyya. I hope I pronounced that properly. So for this unboxing, we got like a cute little headband or whatever, nice neutral colors, 2 wig caps, and of course the wig itself. This is a honey blonde 4x4" lace front wig, which means this is all the lace you're gonna get. So this is more so for someone who really don't have the time to be gluing down a whole lace front, or if you have trouble doing so, this is just a lot easier and simpler. Alright, so since it's a 4x4 lace front wig, that means, some parts of my edges are going to be exposed. So I just need to make sure that they're looking, nice and stuff and whatever.
Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that.
Alright, so for the middle part or center part, whatever you want to call it, I am going to go in with my foundation because that is a little bit too light for my skin tone. Anyways, I just want to say, just because this is like legit only a middle part, the only lace space that you get is the middle part. Like, you can't do cornrows or anything like that, but that don't mean that you're limited to just one hairstyle, and I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so the next hairstyle that I'm going to be trying is curls. Listen, I don't know anything about curls, names and stuff like that. Candy curl, that's the only name that I know. Spiral, I don't know, but yeah, I was hella surprised with this because one, it is so shiny, it's so bouncy, and the curling iron itself is so good, and it is from Shein.com if y'all are wondering, which is the main reason why I was so surprised. But yeah, I went in with some hairspray just to help to, keep the curls from dropping too much. So for the next hairstyle, and yeah, this is just me experimenting with different looks. This hot comb is also from Shein.com. I went ahead and straightened the whole wig all over again. I like I said, I was experimenting, so I didn't know what hairstyles I wanted to try. But yeah, don't you think this would look good on me? Like, just wavy and like pull it back and stuff like that. I never actually made it into a legit hairstyle, but I was just saying, that looks good too. So right here I am making some, what do you call this, layers? Yeah, making some layers in the front, and I'm gonna be curling that once again, only the front, y'all. And this time I'm using my flat iron because why not use a hair straightening device to curl your hair? Like, why not? This hairstyle, I don't know what to call it, but it's nothing new. And the thing is, you don't have to be too clean with this. Like, it's supposed to have a messy look, but not intentionally messy, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, y'all, so the final look that I will be doing are bangs. Y'all, I love me some bangs. The bang ain't ever going out. The bang ain't ever going out of style, okay?
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. Oh, baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need to remind me, feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Hey, 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 oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of